Hello. Good morning. Hi there. Hello, sir. How are you going? How's it going?
Oh yes, you can speak English very well.
Thank you very well. Okay, so this is gonna be our first vlog in English because we have like some friends that are interested to look at our videos and they are speaking English or French or something else, I don't know. Where are we going today, baby?
We are going to visit Glöm Falls, 30 minutes from Ingham, south of Ingham, and then we're going to Wallaman Falls, which is an hour southwest of Ingham.
We are actually back at the beach that you've seen in our previous vlogs. We like this beach a lot. And yeah, we're going to see these falls and the national park today. And you're gonna follow us, of course. Now we are taking a bit of a walk to the Glöm Falls. COVID-19 noticed, social distancing in practice. 1.5 meters. Jesus, it's a lot of mosquitoes here.
700 meters walk.
That's not far. Come on, let's go. You need to watch out where you're going. But I'm okay.
Perfect.
I looked at like old videos of me on YouTube when I did this like spider phobia thing. I was really scared. I'm so much better now. I'm so much better now. These lizards are everywhere. I'm not afraid of lizards, but you don't know if it's a lizard or if it's a snake. So, gotta be a little bit prepared. Anyways, I was really scared before and I think I'm getting a lot better now, so that's good. I mean, I didn't freak out or anything, I just passed by the spider. Good progress. There you can see it. We're gonna go a bit closer, right?
Yeah. To the lookout.
Yeah, do that.
So, this is Glöm Falls.
It's like 1, 2, 3, 4
Small.
5, 6 small waterfalls instead of one big, like, beautiful.
Yeah.
And it's the wrong season to look at waterfalls, I think. But still, it's a beautiful view.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you. Okay, so we are finished here at Glöm Falls and we are now heading to Wallaman Falls. It was a nice short walk to the waterfall here at Glöm, and yeah, too bad it wasn't that much of water in it.
Are we ready for takeoff?
Brum brum.
Can you say that in English, please?
Brum brum.
parks are supposed to be open, or we thought so at least. Maybe not all of them, like the islands. At least we thought like this national park would be open, but it's not. Instead of see the Wollman Falls, we are going a bit more inland, and we're going to Mount Fox and Kangaroo Hills. There's a lot of small roads around there. We're not sure if we can drive there or if it's private property. Okay, we had stopped just for a moment. We need to eat some lunch, and then we keep going on the road. It's really rainy in the air. It's like hanging all over us. I can feel like small drops right now. I'm just gonna put the camera away because my camera don't like water. We are down by the crater. We can't find a way up, so how do you like solve our problem?
Taking the drone.
Yeah, we're flying the drone. It's gonna be exciting to see what's up there. Now we are. What? I don't actually know where we are.
We are in the middle of nowhere, and yeah, we have a fire.
We're headed to this Kangaroo Hill, which is a vineyard, but it was closed. It was just private roads, so we couldn't go there. Now we just keep moving on this road. It's this like red sand everywhere, and it's a lot of cows, and I think we are actually in like a cow area.
I hope the full moon is gonna be awesome tonight, because yesterday
It was the super moon,
yeah,
and it was like a night lamp. I'm like afraid of the dark. I don't like it when it's dark. We went down to the beach to get more like wood for the fire, and that was like 8 or 9 o'clock, and by then it's pitch black. We didn't have a flashlight with us, and we still could find the wood.
yeah, and we could see our own shadows from the moon.
Yeah, I think we're gonna end the vlog here because this is our first vlog in English, and we're just gonna try it out. If you like it, if we like it, and maybe we continue or we do it sometimes. I don't know.
Yeah. Please leave a comment if you think we should continue with this, or
or do it sometimes, or I mean, because it's just when we are gonna meet people here, they are not gonna understand anything. It's just a test. Maybe we don't even put this up on YouTube. Who knows?
Do not forget to subscribe and like and comment.
And we sing good night.
Good night and farewell and goodbye
And subscribe.
and leave a comment.